Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am coming to you from my husband's pickup truck because today is the last day of April, which means it's the last day of Vita, which is vlog every day in April. I can't say I've been completely successful with that, but what I can say is that I've done a pretty good job of recording every day, even if my editing skills and some technical difficulties kept me from posting every day. That said, today is also Tom's 3-year scan. For those of you who don't know, my husband Tom had colon cancer 3 years ago, and he had to have surgery and chemo for that, and today is 3 years from when he started his chemo, and he's getting his 3-year scan. This fall will mark 3 years post-chemo, which will be amazing. And today is there's another thing, like today is a big day, guys. Today is a big day because not only is it April 30th, the end of Vita, his 3-year scan, it is also Beltane for me. If you don't know that I'm pagan, you know now because I'm telling you. And Beltane is a pagan spring festival. It's a fertility festival, and so we have all the nice spring rites going on all around the world today. But it's also our anniversary. Today is a decade that Tom and I have been officially married. And ordinarily we don't do anything to celebrate anniversaries. It's just not what we do. But this year we thought we would do something. We thought we would plant not 1, but 2 weeping willow trees. And if we can find 2, we're gonna get 2 because we know where we want them. We know where they'll do the most good ecologically and for our homestead. So they have a purpose, but they also are our celebration. That's how we're going to celebrate. Which is because my husband is wonderful. He's an amazing man, and he gets me. So guys, I found a keeper. This guy, oh my gosh. I wish I could get him on camera more often for you guys because he's a wonder. He's a character. He's amazing. And I'm proud to say that he's mine. Till next time, guys, stay safe, stay well, and we'll see ya.